Hello my dear students, get ready for today's science class. Students, we now know that birds care for their young ones, while frogs and butterflies do not take care for their young ones. Now students, tell me, do elephants and kangaroos take care of their young ones? Students, as you know, we are doing block 7 life cycle of animals, and today we will learn how elephants and kangaroos take care of their young ones. Clear students? Now students, please open your content book of science. Lesson 4, caring for the young. Let's start reading. Some animals like birds take care of their young ones, but some animals like frogs do not take care of their young ones. In the case of elephants, the entire herd cares for the baby elephant. The baby of an elephant is called a calf. What is a baby elephant called? A calf. Other elephants in the herd take turns to care for the calf when the mother goes away to graze. So जब भी मदर एलिफेंट ग्रेजिंग के लिए जाती है, घास चरने के लिए जाती है, तो अदर एलिफेंट्स जो होते हैं ग्रुप में वो बेबी एलिफेंट की केयर करते हैं. Next one is kangaroos. Kangaroos carry their babies in a large pocket on their stomach. You can see the pocket in on their stomach. This large pocket is called a pouch. What is this? This is a pouch. Unlike elephants and kangaroos, rabbit babies do not need a lot of care. Lizards, frogs and snakes do not take any care of their young ones, as the young ones are able to take care of themselves just after being born. Crocodiles care for their young ones. So जो lizards हैं, frogs और snakes हैं, उनके babies अपनी केयर खुद करते हैं. But crocodile care for their young ones. I hope lesson is clear to you all. So here are some questions for you. Question number 1 is, how do elephants take care of their young ones? And next one is, how do kangaroos take care of their young ones? Now students, let's discuss the answers. The entire herd of elephants help in caring for a baby elephant. Other elephants in the herd take turns to care for the calf when the mother goes away to graze. Clear students? Next one is kangaroos. Kangaroos carry their babies in a large pocket outside their stomachs. This large pocket is called a pouch. A baby kangaroo is called a joy. At birth, it is even smaller than your thumb. I hope answers are clear to you all. Now students, tell me, rabbits also feed milk to their young ones. How do you think they take care of their young ones? Now let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. Baby rabbits do not need much care. The mother feeds them milk 2 or 3 times a day. Next one is lizard. Lizard babies do not need any care from their parents. Clear student? I hope you understand that. So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, why do some animals take care of their babies while others do not? And next one is, which animals do you think are better, the one who take a lot of care their babies or those who don't? Let's discuss the answer. Animals have different needs than human beings. Some animals already know how to take care of themselves when they are born, so they do not need any care from their parents. But some animals need care and learn a lot from their parents in order to survive. An animal that takes a lot of care of its babies is not necessarily better than animal that does not take care of young ones. सो जो अपने बेबीज़ की केयर करते हैं उनसे बेटर हैं जो अपने बेबीज़ की केयर नहीं करते हैं, बिकॉज देयर बेबीज़ आर ऑलरेडी नो हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ themselves. I hope it is clear to you all. Now students, we will discuss the keywords. First one is care, fan, pouch, joy, herd, graze. So you have to write these keywords in your notebook. Grazing means घास चरते हैं ना जो एनिमल्स, उनको बोलते हैं ग्रेजिंग. हर्ड इज ग्रुप. जॉय इज द बेबी ऑफ कैंगरू. pouch is the pocket of kangaroo. Clear students? So you have to write these keywords in your notebook. Now students, please open your worksheet. As for caring for the young, first question is, what is a baby kangaroo called? Yes, Joy. How do kangaroo take care of their young ones? So you have to tell how do kangaroo take care of their young ones. Yes, kangaroos carry their babies in a large pocket outside their stomachs. This large pocket is called a pouch. Clear students? Next question is, why do animals like cows and buffaloes sometimes attack us when we go near their young ones? So जब भी हम cows और buffaloes के बेबी के पास जाते हैं तो वो हम पे अटैक क्यों करते हैं? They think that we are going to harm their young ones, so they protect their young ones to attack us by attacking us. Clear students? So वो सोचते हैं कि हम उनके young ones को hurt करने वाले हैं, so they attack us. Clear? Next one is a question. Which animal babies need a lot of care? Why do they need so much care? सो कौन से एनिमल्स के बेबी को बहुत ज़्यादा केयर की ज़रूरत होती है? यस, एलिफेंट्स, कैंगरूज, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी स्मॉल एंड दे आर वेरी स्मॉल टू टेक केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स. दे डू नॉट नो हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नेक्स्ट वन इज, विच एनिमल बेबीज नीड लेस केयर? हाउ डू दे टेक केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स? तो कौन से एनिमल्स के बेबीज़ हैं जिनको बहुत कम केयर की ज़रूरत होती है? लाइक रैबिट, लिजार्ड, फ्रॉग्स, स्नेक्स, बिकॉज they know by their birth how to take care of themselves, how to feed, how to eat food. They know everything, that how to take care of themselves. I hope worksheet is clear to you all. Now students, you have to do practice question number 7. How do elephants take care of their calves? So elephants अपने calves की कैसे care करते हैं? The entire herd of elephants help in caring for a baby elephant. Other elephant in the herd take turns to care for the calf when the mother goes away to graze. They give shelter to their baby and they protect them. Clear students? Next question is question number 8. Sometimes when we take care of animal babies, we need a puppet that looks like the parent. Why? So जब भी किसी एनिमल के बेबी को फीडिंग करानी होती है, फूड ईट करवाना होता है, केयर करनी होती है उसकी, सो हमें एक पपेट की ज़रूरत होती है जो कि उसके पेरेंट जैसा दिखता है. क्यों उसकी ज़रूरत होती है? बिकॉज द बेबी इज़ फीडिंग फ्रॉम अस. जो बेबी है वो हमसे डर रहा है, सो वी नीड अ पपेट दैट लुक्स लाइक इट्स पेरेंट, ताकि उसे लगे कि इसके पेरेंट ही उसकी केयर कर रहे हैं. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? आई होप question number 7 and 8 is clear to you all. So you have to answer these questions. Clear? Thank you everyone for watching this video.